In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the keyboard shortcut list in Trello. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or just getting started, knowing these shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow and make using Trello even more efficient and enjoyable. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can access this handy tool. To begin, simply press the Shift key and the / simultaneously. That's Shift, which you should have on either side of your keyboard, plus the /, which you may find near the lower right-hand side. Just a quick press of these two keys together will bring up the list of keyboard shortcuts in Trello. Once this handy list pops up, you'll see a wide array of keyboard bindings. These are essentially quick actions designed to help you navigate around Trello with eye-blinking speed. Whether it's moving cards, creating new lists, or jumping between boards, there's a shortcut designed to tidy up your Trello experience and keep you organized. Unfortunately, customization of these shortcuts to cater to your unique touch is not an option at present. However, there's a useful feature available for when those shortcuts might interfere with other tasks. At the top right corner of the shortcut list window, you'll find a small switch. By toggling this switch, you have the power to disable the keyboard shortcuts. This can be especially handy if you're juggling between different platforms or need to ensure Trello doesn't interrupt your processes on other projects. And that's all there is to it. With just a simple key combination, you can access a treasure chest of time-saving shortcuts in Trello. Remember, leveraging these shortcuts can really streamline your process, allowing you to focus more on your tasks and less on navigation. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful as you continue to build and organize with Trello. Be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on mastering your favorite productivity tools. Have a wonderful day and happy organizing.